Okay, so what we just did was Josh went and he used the laser to mark out all of our studs on the bottom plate, shot the vertical line up here to the top plate, went ahead, marked that, and now we're going through making all of our measurements so that we can just go over to the saw, cut one time instead of coming back and forth, and just install everything at once. Okay, so if you remember from our previous dormer video, we had to make a 60-degree cut for our studs to fit. None of Josh's saws will work to make that angle cut, and using the handsaw is just really time consuming and a total pain in the butt. So what we're doing is using the speed square and a level to get the right angle, and then we can cut it and it works out just fine. So now that we've got all of our boards cut, we're going to go ahead and start framing up the wall.